investiture ceremony. We thank you, dear parents, for coming, and we hope that you'll work hand in hand in guiding our children. This has been your Master of Ceremony, Miss Rain Vargas, wishing you all a wonderful day ahead.
Tapos umuwi kami, pumunta din talaga ako sa kanya para makita niya yung school. Ako sa advisor niya.